Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. If you own a JVC TV and you're facing an issue where the volume is not working properly, maybe it's too low, distorted, not responding to the remote, or completely silent, then you've clicked on the right video. In this video, I'll walk you through step-by-step solutions to fix the volume issue on your JVC TV. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do to get your sound back to normal without needing expensive repairs. So let's jump right in. Step 1. Check the remote and TV buttons. First, let's make sure the problem isn't with your remote control. Sometimes, the issue isn't the TV but the remote not sending proper signals. Try increasing and decreasing the volume using both the remote and the TV's physical buttons. If the TV responds to the physical buttons but not the remote, you may just need new batteries or a replacement remote. Also, ensure there's nothing blocking the IR sensor on the TV. This quick check can save you time before diving into deeper fixes. Step 2. Inspect audio settings. Next, let's look at the audio settings inside your JVC TV's menu. Many times, the sound is disabled or routed incorrectly. Grab your remote and press the menu button. Navigate to sound settings. Make sure TV speakers is selected, not external speaker or audio out. Adjust the sound mode. Switch between standard, cinema, music, or clear voice. Sometimes the wrong preset can cause distorted audio. Also, check if balance is centered, because if it's shifted to left or right, one speaker might sound muted. Small adjustments here can instantly fix most volume issues. Step 3. Check external devices and connections. Sometimes, the issue comes from devices connected to your TV rather than the TV itself. If you're using a set-top box, gaming console, or soundbar, check their volume levels too. Disconnect all external devices and test the TV's built-in channels or apps to see if sound works there. Make sure HDMI or AV cables are firmly connected. Loose cables can cause audio dropouts. This step helps you know if the issue lies in your TV or the connected device. Step 4. Power cycle and software update. Now let's move on to a technical but simple fix, the power cycle. Turn off your TV and unplug it from the power outlet. Wait about 60 seconds. Press and hold the power button on the TV for 20 seconds to drain any residual power. Plug it back in and turn it on. This resets temporary glitches. Also, don't forget to check for software updates. Go to Settings, Support, Software Update. If an update is available, install it. Outdated firmware can sometimes cause audio issues. Step 5. Factory reset. If none of the above steps worked, your last resort is performing a factory reset. Go to Settings, System, Reset, Factory Reset. This will erase your preferences and restore the TV to its original state. Make sure you back up or note down your Wi-Fi and app logins first. Step 6. Hardware issue. If after all these steps your TV volume is still not working, the issue may be with the internal speakers or audio board. In this case, you'll need to contact a JVC service center or a professional technician. But in most cases, the fixes we discussed will solve the problem right at home. So that's how you can fix the volume not working issue on your JVC TV. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more troubleshooting guides. And let us know in the comments if these steps worked for you, or if you faced a different issue with your JVC TV. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.